Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, my name is Idra Haziq bin Syamsul Anwar and my project supervisor is Miss Anis Afika binti Syarid. My final project title is Secret Recipe Subang Perdana Kitchen Inventory Management System. So now, let's get started. There are 6 things to be highlighted in my presentation today. The first one is the problem statement. The second one is the solution for the problem statement. The third one is the objective of the project. The fourth is methodology used in this project. The fifth is result and findings, and the last one is the system demo. So let's go with the problem statement first. There is 2 problems faced by Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. The first one is tedious process of calculating stock manually, and the second one is process of managing the quality of the product is inefficient. Next, we go to the solution for problems part. To overcome the problem of tedious process to calculate stock manually, kitchen inventory management system can create product, update product, view product and delete product. The kitchen leader can view the quantity of available product at the product page. So this will remove the problem of tedious process to calculate stock manually when the kitchen leader can see by itself the quantity of available product at the product page during closing. Next, to overcome the problem of process of managing the product is inefficient, the kitchen leader no need to use sticker to label items anymore because kitchen inventory management system will store all the information of the product including the expiry date in the database. And kitchen inventory management system will display the table of product with expiry date filter that sort nearest expiry date to the top. Next, we go to the objective. There is 3 objectives for this project. The first one is to gather and analyze the requirements from Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. The second one is to design a kitchen inventory management system based on the gathered and analyzed requirements. And the last one is to develop a kitchen inventory management system for Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. Next, we go to the methodology part. For this project, I use modified waterfall methodology. The first phase is requirement analysis. This first phase objective is to gather and analyze the requirement from Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. The first activity is review literature to gather idea for related system or work, which is the deliverable is list of potential features. Second, prepare question for interview the stakeholder, which the deliverables is interview question. Third, interview the stakeholder, which is the deliverables is the interview data. Fourth is analyze and model the requirement, which is the deliverables is requirement models, which have the use case diagram, domain class diagram, activity diagram and sequence diagram. Fifth is verify and validate requirement, which is the deliverables is verify and validate requirement checklist. And last one is document the requirement, which is the deliverable is the software requirement specification SRS. Next, phase 2 is design. The objective of this phase is to design a kitchen inventory management system based on the gathered and analyzed requirements. So the first activity is to design the flow of the system, which is the deliverables is multi-layer sequence diagram. The second activity is design the user interface, which is deliverables is storyboard for the system. The third one is design the system database, which is the deliverables is entity relationship diagram. And the last one is document the design, which is the deliverables is software design document SDD. So the last phase is implementation, which is the objective to develop a kitchen inventory management system for Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. There is only one activities and one deliverables, which is the activity is develop the web-based application, and the deliverables is the functional web-based application itself. Next, we go to the result and findings part. As we can see, this is the use case diagram for kitchen inventory management system for Secret Recipe Subang Perdana. There is 14 use case with 2 actors, which is the actors is the kitchen leader and supervisor. The kitchen leader can log in into the system also as the supervisor. The supervisor can view the report. The kitchen leader and supervisor can create product, delete product, update product, view product and manage stock movement. Kitchen leader and supervisor also can create menu, view menu, delete menu, update menu, manage brand, manage categories and receive order. So we go to the next part of result and finding, which is I include the entity relationship diagram that have 9 tables in it, which is the user, stock movement, menu items, menu order, categories, brand and product. For the relationship between the tables, menu and order have a many to many relationship, and the products and menu also have many to many relationship. One user can manage many stock movement and one user can manage many product, while one brand can have many product and one categories can have many menus. Next, we will proceed with system demo. Hi, we will continue our presentation with system demo. So this is the login interface for kitchen inventory management system. For this session, I will log in as supervisor. So first enter the username and the password. So we can view the password here. Log in and we will redirect to the dashboard page of kitchen inventory management system. At dashboard page, we'll display the total product, low stock, current date and list for stock addition. For stock addition and low stock, if low stock is 0, so there is no list for stock addition appear here. So first I want to show you the menu page. Menu page will display the manage menu table which contain the menu name, category, status and option for the user to edit or remove the menu. So I will add a new menu. Example, the new menu is chicken chop. Status available. Category name Western. Product that will be assigned to the menu is chicken fillet, chicken type and also fries. Save change. And the product and the menu will and the new menu will be appear here. Chicken chop. I also can edit the menu. As example, I change to chicken chop special, Western to kids meal, and status to not available, and save. So it will appear here with status not available with a red color, categories kids meal, and menu name chicken chop special. Or I also can remove the menu name from the table. Successfully removed, and there is no more chicken chop special in the menu table. Next we go to brand page. The brand page will display the manage brand table which have the brand name, status and options. For this I will show you how to add a new brand. Enter a new brand. As example, Babas. Status available, save change. So the new brand will be appear here. I also can edit the brand from Babas. Example, I change to Adabi. Or I change to Live and set it to not available and save change. So the brand name Live with status not available will be appear here. Or I also can remove the brand and it will be successfully removed from the table. Next we go to category. Category page will display the manage categories table. We'll have the categories name, status and options. So I will show you how to add a new categories. As example, the categories will be one time promotion and the status is available, save change. Close, and the one time promotion categories will be appear here with status available. I can also edit the categories and make it to not available, save change, and the condition will updated to status not available with a red color. Or I also can remove it from the inventory and from the table. You really want to remove? Yes. Save change, successfully remove, and no more one time promotion categories name. Next we go to product page. At product page we display a manage product table with a photo of the product, product name, expiry date of the product, quantity, brand of the product, status and option. As example, I want to add a new product. Product name black chip, quantity 100, expiry date set it to 12, brand name 9, classic status available, save change and successfully added. So we can directly search the product from the table at this search bar. So the product name is black, so this black chick. I can edit the product. As example, I want to change a photo, so I change it to chicken satay photo, upload, and the product will change its photo to the chicken satay. And I also can update its product info. As example, I want to change the quantity to 100, expiry date to 4, status available, brand name, let's change to MS, save change, successfully update. And if we can see here, the photo have been changed to chicken satay, expiry have been changed to 4A, quantity to 200, brand to MS. I also can remove it from the table. You really want to remove? Yes. And it will successfully remove. Next, I want to show you how the kitchen leader will receive order and the product that and the menu that have been received with a assigned product. The product quantity will be reduced based on the quantity of the received order. As example, I will receive Hainanese chicken chop. So for Hainanese chicken chop, product that has been assigned is chicken fillet, with the quantity right now is 343, and Hainanese sauce. Right now, Hainanese sauce is 19.6 in quantity, and also fries. Fries is 89 in quantity. So there will be 3 products that will be reduced if I receive Hainanese chicken chop. So at receive order, as example, receive Hainanese chicken chop for preparation of the menu. Quantity is 1. Submit. At the report, we can see Hainanese chicken chop. Categories name Western. Quantity 1. At the product, we can see the quantity is being reduced by 1, chicken fillet. Fries is being reduced by 1 from 89 to 88. And also the Hainanese sauce from 96 to the 95. Next, I want to show you restock process during delivery. So the kitchen leader will fill the form that have a receive date and product quantity. During this time, the kitchen leader can fill up and restock up to 3 products only. For this, enter the receive date of the product. As example, delivery have been on 4A. So select product, chicken fillet, Hainanese sauce, and fries. Quantity 1, 1, and 1. So click restock. And we can go check that the chicken fillet have been increased by 1. Hainanese sauce have been increased by 1, and also the fries have increased and restocked by 1. Next, I want to show you the report. This is the report of received order. So for order ID 1, the menu name is special beef noodle, categories name Asian classic, and the quantity received is 2. Next, I want to show how the low stock and list for stock edition function. So as example, beef paste, I will reduce its quantity to 2. Chicken fillet, also I reduce its quantity to 2. So at the dashboard, we can see the low stock is 2 and list for stock edition Name of item, chicken fillet and beef paste. I think that's all for me. Thank you.